Time for an experiment. What do you think of the raven that came out of the kiln yesterday? So as you can see, I'm painting another one. But this time I want to try and capture that blue hue that the sunlight catches on the wings on a raven when it's in the right light. It's still a really good raven and I really like it. But if this works, then I'm going to refire this and add this technique that I'm going to try on this bird. So the technique I used to colour my raven that I got out of the kiln yesterday is I added nano stains, jet black, to a little lid like this. Added some water, a couple of sprays of water just to start mixing in the dry powder, because this is what the powder looks like. Okay, and then when I did that, I then added some Bots transparent matte glaze in clear and painted the bird all over, as you could see from the other sculpture that I showed you. So then I used the same technique, black stain but clear gloss glaze on the beak and then brown in the eye, and that's how it turned out. But this time I want to try and add that blue hue or tint that the feathers have on a raven or a crow. When the sunlight catches them, they've got like a nice blue tinge to their feathers. So the idea I had this morning was, as in experiment I wanted to try, is I've got some cobalt oxide here and mixed in the same way in a lid with matte glaze, dry brush. So dip the brush in and then tap off the excess on a board and then literally just dry brush on the areas to highlight the blue tinge. So I'm hoping when it's fired, this cobalt will change colour to blue and show like a highlight in the areas that I'm dry brushing. Follow along for the results. See you all soon.